Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Bitch. Talk about me, nigga. Yeah, yeah. Talk about me, nigga, for real, nigga. I pull out this Glock, nigga. And I don't give a fuck about a nigga. Pull up with this Glock and now I start dumping my nigga. 1800, nigga. 1800, nigga. GMG's where I'm at. Nigga, that's how we did it. Yeah, you better remember this shit before I pull up with that gun and start dumping my clip. Yeah, and I ain't fucking with this motherfucking dirty shit. Fuck that nigga Chubb, I should beat him with this dirty clip. And I ain't playing, nigga, talking about a paintball. I'm talking about a fucking hard metal red ball. And I knock a nigga down if you fuck with me. I'm from 1800, nigga, this is just GMG. Nigga, and I ain't talking about no fake shit. Kill niggas in motherfucking flat, bitch. Nigga, I fuck Jasmine every fucking night. Nigga, 1800 is where I be, is where I sleep. Nigga, and you better stop sleeping on my ladders before I fucking kill niggas in dump beathers. Fucking 1800 in the bottle, nigga. Fucking 18, nigga, at the oil, nigga, back to pull up on them motherfucking pussy niggas. About to pull up and dump my gun, pussy nigga. I hate that nigga Rambo, what he fucking did. Nigga shot my brother when he was outside, bitch. My brother said, let's motherfucking handle this. My brother said, let's fucking handle this. My brother said, let's motherfucking handle this. So that nigga had a jam gun and my nigga flipped. He shot my motherfucking brother. I shit hit that nigga with my entourage mother. He don't really want it with me. He lucky he's in prison. I would kill him with this lemon squeeze. Nigga, and I ain't playing with this fucking gun. I should be in the force because I shoot, son. Nigga, and I motherfucking do my thing. Me and my nigga Scholar today, we was shooting things. Nigga, we ain't playing with this fucking gun. We should knock your ass off in the river, son. Yeah, and I don't give a fuck about a bitch. I kill niggas, slap hoes with this right, bitch. You better fucking reminisce. Before I kill niggas, slap bitches, fucking bitch. I am a fucking 18, I might be drunk off that lean, but I'm coming back on me. But I'm hard in a bitch, hard in a snitch, hard in a bitch, nigga, hard in a snitch. Yeah, I know, but I fuck bitches left and right, you know. I smoke Keisha Cole, nigga, every day, bro. Yeah, I know. I'm a 1800 whale in this motherfucking gangster shit. Nigga, you better tote your fucking water. I'll be on the stove like my motherfucking brother Weathers. And I'm a motherfucking G. Free my motherfucking brother Todd G. What it do, B? Nigga, I better keep your fucking head up. You be seeing them on Saturday when it comes up. Nigga, and I'm a motherfucking brother. I be stealing my mom's car to go bust these fucking swerves. Yeah, and I don't give a fuck about a bitch. My name ain't Ricky Suave, I'm a bomber, bitch. Yeah, and I keep doing my own thing through my fucking niggas, Herb and Juice. What it do, man? Yeah, I kill a nigga with this Glock. I spray it all day and chop niggas, bruh. Nah, I piss on one of the fucking bitch. My name ain't Scarface, I don't do that cane, bitch. Free my motherfucking brother G! Free my motherfucking brother G! Free my motherfucking brother G! 1800 in the bottom.
That's jazz.
You know me, 18, nigga. Nigga, 18, nigga. 18, nigga.
Can you keep going, people?
18.
Can you keep snapping?
18.
Let me know.